So probably before humans were there, they were following around cave bears and things like that.
Bison is a big thing that they followed.
Well,
that's influenced their distributions, the loss of bison.
But and a lot of that may have been they were getting insects out of the dung that the bison put out.
Yeah.
And so
I mean, they pick that stuff off of these big mammals, but they don't always eat it. They do eat some of it, and they cache other things, just the way you see jays and other crows caching things. Well, they cache the insects that they're picking off of the fur of these big mammals, which is interesting. Yeah. Saving it for a rainy day, I guess. I don't know.